Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a really cool trick I found, and that is going to help you a lot in your development workflows, and that trick is Windows Sandbox. What this effectively gives you is a lightweight Windows virtual machine that is super easy to spin up, that is super easy to spin down, that is temporary, that you just use for testing or for like the original purpose for this. A sandbox is basically a place that you can test malicious items or just contain them, that is isolated from the system. Now, this was originally developed for security purposes, but this is amazing for developer workflows, especially when you want to test something. When you want to test something like an app that you've made, and you want to do it on a machine that isn't yours because you want to see if there's any additional things that have to be set up so you can alter your project as is. Now, you could do this using Azure testing, but that costs money. This is free if you have Windows 10 Pro or Windows 10 Enterprise. It is a bit glitchy, but I think for like a lightweight virtual machine that you can instantly spin up and that like just deletes all the data when you're done, I think it's perfectly fine. So for people who want to know how to turn this on, go to your search bar and search turn window features on or off. Okay, just head over here and just go down until you find the Windows Sandbox. Just turn this on, it'll ask you to reboot the system, and you're good to go. So I'm going to show you what I want to test it for. So let's just create a simple project. So right now what I'm doing, I'm just using a template. So the reason this just shows one of my software, because this is a template that I have for spinning up a development version of that software. So I just modified it. So it's a simple program that will tell you whether it's your first time running that software or not. So the way to put these into the virtual machine is just copy it and then just paste it into the virtual machine. Unfortunately, drag and drop is not allowed. So here's what happens. The first time I click on it, it's just gonna load up and wait 2 seconds, and then it'll tell me whether it's my first time or not. So like this, it says this is your first time. Good. That's okay. But now let's open it a second time. And now it says this is not your first time. So so now whenever I will open this, it will say that it's not my first time. And this is important, especially for scenarios when this is like sandboxes and testing environments are especially important for scenarios like this when you're testing items like that. So I could just spin this machine down and I could spin it back up to test that the mechanisms or the code that I've added to the part where it tells us that it's not your first time are working properly. And there are multiple ways to do this. You could create your own virtual machines and all that, but I think they're cumbersome, and they take up a lot of resources. It's simple, it's easy to run, and it's entirely free if you already have a Windows Professional account. Now, there are ways to make it run on Windows 10 Home Edition, but those are at your own risk. I do not endorse such methods, but they're easily available and you can easily find them searching up on Google. So guys, thank you for watching this short video. I just want to share this really cool trick that I found, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.